In this prototyping tutorial, we'll show you how to prototype an e-learning mobile app in under 2 minutes using MockFlow. We've already created the mobile app wireframe using MockFlow WireframePro. Now, let's add interactions to make each screen interactive. First, start with the home screen. Click on the Courses option, choose Mouse Click as the trigger, and select Replace Component as the action to swap the home screen with the popular Courses screen. Add the Fade Out effect. Follow the same steps for the Profile option to swap the home screen with the profile screen. Finally, use Show Component and select the home screen. For this, add the Fade In effect for smooth transition. Follow the same for all the screens. Next, move to the popular Courses screen. Add interactions to the menu icons. Use Show Component for the popular Courses screen, and Replace Component to navigate to the respective pages. Then select a course card, add another interaction using Replace Component, and swap the popular Courses screen with the Course Details screen. Now, select the Rating component, add an interaction, and use Replace Component to navigate to the Review screen. And on the Course Details screen, follow the same process as the previous one. Use Show Component for the current screen and Replace Component to navigate to other screens. For the Review screen, add interactions to the bottom navigation bar. Also, add a back interaction using Mouse Click as the trigger and Replace Component as the action to navigate back to the Course Details screen. Next, move to the Profile screen and add interactions to the bottom navigation bar. Add a back interaction using Mouse Click and Replace Component to return to the home screen. Once everything is set, select the home screen as the primary container. The home screen will be highlighted and will be the only screen visible in view mode. Click View to preview the prototype. You'll see smooth navigation across the home, popular courses, profile, course details, and review screens. With MockFlow prototyping, you can easily design and generate interactive mobile wireframe prototypes in no time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.